Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll uncover step-by-step how to fix ACH return codes and navigate bank errors seamlessly. Welcome to our channel. Navigating ACH return codes can be complicated, but with the right knowledge, you can resolve these bank errors quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to understanding and fixing ACH return codes. First, understand what ACH return codes are. These codes are issued by banks when an automated clearinghouse transaction cannot be processed due to an error. They help identify why a payment failed and what needs to be done next. Step 1. Identify the specific ACH return code you have received. Every code corresponds to a different error, such as insufficient funds, invalid account number, unauthorized transaction, or closed account. Step 2. Review the details provided by the bank. Compare them with your transaction records. Check for discrepancies in account numbers, payment amounts, or authorization status. Step 3. Communicate with the customer or sender if applicable. Often errors occur due to incorrect information entry or lack of authorization. It's important to verify the accuracy of payment details. Step 4. Contact your bank or payment processor. Once you have identified the error, get in touch with your bank's support team. They can provide detailed insights and assist in correcting the problem. Step 5. Correct the error promptly. For example, if the return code indicates insufficient funds, notify the payer to ensure funds are available. Or if it's an incorrect account number, update the information in your system. Step 6. Resubmit the ACH transaction. Once the error is corrected, resubmit the payment to avoid further delays or penalties. Step 7. Monitor future transactions. Implement routine checks to reduce ACH return incidents. This includes verifying customer data, maintaining clear authorization records, and using updated banking information. Step 8. Document each step of the correction process. Keeping records helps resolve disputes and improves process efficiency over time. Step 9. Educate your team about common ACH return codes and their fixes. This prepares your staff for swift action and minimizes business disruptions. Fixing ACH return codes is all about precision communication and timely action. By following these steps, you'll save time, reduce costs, and improve your payment operations. Don't forget to keep learning and adapting as banking standards evolve. This ensures your system stays compliant and efficient. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert financial insights.